Okay, so in my previous video I forgot to do a sound check. So this time I will start it up and let you hear how it sounds. It's not really a, it's not a Flowmaster exhaust, but it's okay. So, it starts right up. And it doesn't sound really loud. But I think for this car, it's good. You have to remember that there's a double set of mufflers on it. It's under the car and at the end of the car. And the ones at the end, they are not that well. They're not that good. So they might need some attention. But it sounds good. Okay, now I'm gonna shut it off.